Lovely day here in Paradise. Just went over the bar. And my mate Al driving. And me. Very lovely. Oh yeah. That makes a fish day.
Yes, what's inside the box?
Nothing. You want to look in my box?
Yes.
Look.
Shane, buksan mo na.
I can see what's in the box.
Your head.
You ready? What's in the box? You won't like it.
Yes.
La la la.
Ah, only coins.
Oh my God! Look at all these. Look at all them.
How much
Look
is
at all them.
Guess how much more people?
Look at them. And look at them 5-cent pieces. These 20s. 5 cents.
Only
5 cents.
coins in town.
5 cent pieces.
Para palit bugas.
20s.
How much will up? You guess
10
how
cents.
much?
20s. Collectible.
That's the only money
Rentals.
that's the only money that you have.
20s.
Poor Shino. That's the only money that you have.
Look at this.
Huh?
Look at all
That's
these.
the only money.
No, it's not the only money.
Where's the other?
Hidden.
You give it to me.
No. Spend it.
That's Shino's money.
It's ours. I've been saving and didn't even know.
That's only coins. That's yours.
That's alright.
That's Shino's coins. How much will up?
Alright, do it again. I thought you already did it already. Lift the box.
No.
Harder.
Too heavy.
Lift.
Open. Buksan mo na.
Come here, Carly. And you said I got no all coins, huh? Poor Shane.
Oh, for Shino.
Special $1.
What's in the bag, Shino?
Lots.
Shino has 2 boxes.
$2? $2?
I'm gonna bring it into the donate, darling, for the donate it to the people who
Special $2.
the typhoon audit.
$1. $1. Special. Special. Wiggle special coin.
What's this one?
$1.
Pokemon.
$1. $1. $2.
$2. $2.
50 cents.
What's this one? $2.
No, they're stamps.
Stamps. Can I bring this to school?
No,
Why not?
because you can't afford to get them damaged.
Dilabat.
Okay. Look at all the silver kookaburras. They're beautiful. Look, the silver bar, 1 ounce. Wow.
Oh. What's this one? Butters. Oh no. Oh no, Shana. This one I gonna $50. I need this.
That's yours.
What's that?
Your jewelry.
I don't want this one.
You put it in.
But maybe my that's a Royal 2000 reading. Let's gonna open it. That's one open.
It's estimated that every 10 minutes, a child dies.
Collection, Australian.
7 years of brutal conflict has devastated innocent lives.
Beautiful coins. 50 cents.
Food is scarce.
The ring.
Gift can provide
Lord Jewelers.
urgent healthcare.
This from Fiji, darling.
We found a way
Yeah, I bought it.
for how many children
When they got married.
When you got married?
When they got married.
And we got the apartment when Kate and William's wedding. Australian Saint Mary McKillop. So 2010. Nice try.
Three people have been rescued after.
Collectible coins ng asawa ko. Time check, mag-11 o'clock na, hindi pa siya tapos. Yung cheeky bag. Tell me. Good night, Foxy. The poop of our dog.